Dito kami sa favorite store namin. We're just looking for... what are we looking for here?
Ewan ko. Tingin, wool socks.
Oh yeah, wool socks in case na mag-hike kami. And propane, isobutane if we're in case na matuloy yung hike tomorrow sa Mount Revelstoke National Park. Ano?
Merong light cushion. Light lang siya, manipis. Oh. We got fuel, wool socks, and bear... What do you call this?
Bear horn.
Ready to eat?
Yeah. Ready to eat. Let's go. Kala natin lemongrass. Time check. It's 3:45 in Ontario. Pero nasa British Columbia. Go for it. Sorry. Lemongrass beef with
I was so hungry.
Huh?
I was so hungry, hindi natin na video. These are the awards they got. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. There's a page on Facebook that says there's active fire in Lavington between Vernon and Lumbee. I think it's around here.
Yeah. So there might be a high chance we won't be able to hike at Mount Revelstoke National Park.
But we'll find some safe trails because we don't want to risk.
Especially right now, it's still smoky.
Yeah.
There's
We'll just
air
make the
quality
most
warning.
out of the vacation here. My best friend's husband, he also has a YouTube channel where he cooks. His name is JR Cooks. He promised that he'll cook my favorite ulam, which is kare-kare. JR Cooks. Kare-kare. I'm excited.
It's a fail.
What do you mean?
Kasi ang nagbayad ako, ang nilagay kong plate number yung sa sasakyan.
LOL!
Oh fuck. I just wasted $1.
Wanna play?
No. Pwede, wala namang sabi do not touch.
LOL?
Hindi nakatingin sa akin. Nasa likuran mo.
Is it good?
Lasang coffee.
I like it.
Nice. Para ako na doon ako. Yung babae.
Captain, where to next?
Well, change of plans, mga kaigan. Ang Kangaroo Creek Farm, it's closing soon. Time now is 2:36 in the afternoon. Magko-close ng 3 o'clock.
Because of the forest fires, there's less chance for us to hike here in Kelowna or in Vernon. Man tayong kakilala dito, so most likely mas may alam silang magandang puntahan, may ma-recommend sila na...
Heading now to Vernon sa friend ni Camille. So it's gonna be an hour drive. So malalayo din pero Makarating kami doon 3:30. Welcome to Kelowna. Sa bahay ng friends ni Camille. Paraming nasa US. Parang hindi ganito yung Canada na alam ko eh. Kailangan na lang ng Hollywood sign doon.
Wow!
And this is it, US.
The next morning.
Hello!
So we're going to Davison Orchards Country Village.
We're gonna have a day trip with my friends and their friends.
Come along with us. May ostrich ba? Yan maliit. Turkey pala. Say hello.
Are you still recording?
Makikita mo yung sarili mo sa YouTube. You'll see yourself on our YouTube.
Are you Filipino or?
Come here, Tito.
Huh?
Are you Filipino?
White.
Oh, you're white?
Yeah. We went to Davison Orchard Country Farm a while ago.
It's nice and sunny. The smog is, I think, better than yesterday. Oh, ano yun? Baka? Ang shaky.
Pero yun may mga farm. Doon yun Ayos. We're here at Ellison Provincial Park. Actually, their campsite looks better than the campsites in Ontario. Ganda pa yung toilet nila dito. Sa ating vault lang. cameraman. Yeah, remember I said that their campsites are better than the provincial parks in Ontario? Look at this. See, well maintained. Malayong malayo sa campsite sa Ontario, di ba?
Medyo ano lang, masikip lang. Compared dun sa atin. Pero like it's flat.
Pero ano, parang ang privacy
Not so much.
not so much. Kasi yung mga trees dito parang pine trees eh.
Pero it's clean. Like even their table, you can use it without tablecloths over because it's really
Varnished.
clean. Varnished.
Tapos may cement pa kung saan nakatayo yung table, cemented. Hindi ko lang kung pwede dalawang tent dito kasi parang not too much space.
Yeah, kasi ipapark mo pa yung sasakyan mo eh.
Yung hindi freestanding na tent, mukhang mahirap ibaon yung stake
Oo.
kasi gravel siya eh.
Just wanna see the falls. We suggest that.
Wait a few minutes.
Sure.
Yeah, I got
Ito,
but there's 2 floors.
boy, we'll hold the fort. Beaver. Have fun visiting Vernon, BC. We will definitely go back here. Yeah, we want to go camping or backcountry. BC has lots to offer for hikers and campers. We will have another extra fun, right babe?